Hello everybody. As you know, I quite like to do electrical repairs of like stuff like printers, computers, motherboards, fatherboards, sisterboards, childerboards, Hildegard, the case of deck of old, and I do them. I do them gladly, but sometimes they frustrate me and they make me annoyed and I lose my temper. But poetry calms me down, so I thought I would recite some poetry while fixing this. What is this? This is a skybox. A skybox, a box full of sky. That's what we want, but it doesn't work. But that's okay, we can fix it. Oh, I've broken a bit already. I do apologise. And oh look, it says on the back, Sierra Communications. If you endure any problems within 30 days of visit, please call 01419 8686 968. Yes, okay, we'll do that. No, we won't. Interactive card, it says here. We'll get rid of that. Backup TV guide, information, power on, power off, select, forwards, backwards, up, down. Nothing works, but it's fine. We can fix this. And while I fix this, to keep me calm, I will be reciting an Irish airman for Caesar's death by William Badger Yeats. So I'll just get into it. You can see what I'm doing. I have very many tools, pliers, cans of Holston, electric screwdrivers. What else do I need? Something like, oh, wait, most of safety equipment. Safety glasses are vital. Fortunately, I not only have sunglasses, but I also have glass eyes that are not possible to damage. I do recommend safety glasses, gloves, which I also don't have, and safety hats. Obviously, if like me you can't afford a safety hat, go to your nearest building site, dress as your mother in a very old-fashioned dress, a bit like Norman Bates in Psycho. Put that on, wear Doc Martens, approach the builder wearing the hat you want, and say hello, and they'll immediately be like oof the mama, and grab the helmet and say, this one's for the Gipper, and run, and it'll be fine. They'll think you're mad and it'll be fine. You'll have a nice safety hat. If you're a woman, approach the builder with the hat you want. Say, I really like your helmet. Could I touch it? Try it on? That kind of thing. I know. And they'll either be really terrified or slightly excited and offer the helmet, and then when you get it, run. Anyway, so that's that. Now, actually fixing the thing, as I say, I get a little bit annoyed with electrical machinery that doesn't work, or anything that doesn't work is very annoying. But poetry calms me down. So I'll be reciting An Irish Airman for Caesar's Death by William Badger Yeats. In case you were wondering what the B stands for, it's for Badger. So we'll commence. I know that I shall meet my fate. Would you look at all the things at the back? I know that I shall meet my fate somewhere among the clouds above. Those that I fight, I do not hate. Those that I guard, I do not love. My country is Kiltartan's poor. No, my country is Kiltartan cross. My countrymen Kiltartan poor. No likely end could bring them loss, nor lead them happier than before. This is looking better already. I balanced all, brought all to mind. The years to come seem waste of breath. A waste of breath. The years gone by, in balance with this life, this death. I think this is going well. This is looking better, and I'm calm. I am calm. I know that I shall meet my fate among the clouds above. Those that I guard, I do not hate. No, those that I fight, I do not hate. Those that I guard, I do not love. My country, where's the fucking hammer? My country is Kiltartan's cross. My countrymen, Kiltartan's poor. No likely end could bring them loss. Oh, look at that now. Move to mama. Nor lead them happier than before. I balanced all, brought all to mind. The years to come seemed waste of breath. No, the years gone by, the years to come. Which is it? The years to come seem waste of breath. The years gone by. No. Wait now. I know that I shall meet my fate somewhere among the clouds above. Those I fight, I do not hate. Those that I guard, I do not love. My country is Kiltartan cross. My countrymen Kiltartan's poor. No likely end could bring them loss, nor lead them happier than before. No, hang on now. Wait now. I know that I shall meet my fate somewhere among the clouds above. Those I fate, I do not hate. Those I love. No. I know that I shall meet my fate somewhere among the clouds above. Those that I guard, I do not hate. Those that I fight, I do not love. Why would you love the ones you're fighting? Hang on now. I know that I know that I shall meet my fate somewhere among the clouds above. Those that I fight, I do not hate. Those that I love, those that I guard, I do not love. My country is Kiltartan cross. My countrymen Kiltartan's poor. No likely end could bring them loss, nor lead them happier than before. Oh. I know that I shall meet my fate somewhere among the clouds above. Those I fight I do not hate. Those I guard I do not love. My country is Kiltartan. No law nor duty bade me fight, nor public men nor cheering clouds. A lonely impulse of delight brought to this tumult in the clouds. I balanced all, brought all to mind. The years to come seem waste of breath. The years come by. I balanced all, hang on. I know, no, I brought all to mind, brought all to mind. The years to come seem waste of breath. A waste of breath, the years gone by in balance with this life. This death! Thank you.